Gold and silver started the week on a slightly flat note, rather, I can say with modest bearishness, while crude oil and net gas have seen a good recovery and a rise with the week beginning. Now, what to expect throughout the day today? From gold, silver, oil, and gas, how we can profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation and support. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. In this update, first we look into gold, followed with silver, then crude oil, and in the end, natural gas. Watch till. Let's start with gold. See gold on the early charts. Look at the drop here from the highs at 25.32. It has consolidated and then a sharp drop has appeared. It has recovered all the losses. And see, most importantly, it is yet to break beyond 25.20 zone, 22 zone, which is definitely a greater resistance. At any point of time today, if you see gold staying above 25.20, 25.22, you can initiate a buying entry here. Right now, or I can also see that it is just consolidating or strengthening in its position here in the zone between 25.08 to 25.18. Thus, if you see it is staying below, see, first of all, there is a little divergence of the price from the 20 period. It can take the support from the 20 period. That is one part. Thus, if you see it is staying below 25.08, we can initiate a selling entry. However, on the downside, there are critical supports available for gold, specifically at around 2504 and then 2498, 2500, then 2494 and then 2490. Till 2490 gold has got extremely strong support here on the downside. Till 2490 we are not going to treat this as bearish. Also, if you look at the chart here, drop retracement, and it is going to deliver another wave, possibly if it stays below 2490, we are looking forward to a extremely strong bearish wave. Let's have a further detailed look. See stochastic dropping here sharp. MACD willing to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts here. Drop here, retracement, consolidation going on. We have to wait for a breakout. Either a move above 25.20, 25.22 or a drop below 25.08. That will be a confirmation of the direction which it is going to take. Right now, I can say it is still not yet confirming the bearish move here. See, moving averages are looking divergent and are trading with bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic, this is drop sharp. The MACD is still in the greener zone. It is though trying to convert, but have not yet crossed over and is still trading in green. So I will say that it is still not yet confirming of a bearish reversal. RSI dropping here, coming to 3 hour. Look at the 3 hour chart. See, bullishness has definitely got diminished here. After diminishing bullishness, we have seen this could be the first reversal candle. I will wait for the next candle, and once it stays below 25.08, we can expect further bearishness. 25.04, 24.98, 2500, and then 24.94, 24.90. Till 24.90, I have shared the support levels below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Yes, it has shown a V-shaped recovery, and now is the time for it to take the real direction. The moving averages are still bullish. Stochastic near to top. MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, trying to stay bullish here. RSI is comfortable. So MACD is the only thing which is suggestive that there could be a further bullish momentum available here in gold. Likewise, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. A bit of consolidation is seen. Stronger resistance is observed here at 25.20, 25.22 zone. It has not yet breached this zone. It has to break beyond this in order to confirm bullishness. What is happening here? It is just consolidating or strengthening its position. This could be a reversal sign here, and this could be the first bearish candle. See, preceding candle has shown a pullback, so the current candle might try to take it further down and can look forward to 2504 or in fact 2500 and lower levels. See, we have seen a strong bearish candle, then you can see greener candles with diminishing bullishness, and thus this could be the sign of reversal. Stochastic is near to top. MACD, if you look at MACD, this is just crossed over. This is one sign which is not yet supportive of the bears out here. Only and only if you see a stronger bearish move here and then it crosses over, you can say now the bears are back in action. Else, right now, I can say, and that is why I say till 2490. Do not treat gold as bearish till 2490. Below 2490, it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to a stronger correction here. RSI is staying flat here. Coming to daily chart. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. We trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities, in a single channel. Be a part of it and enjoy trading. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a self-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It offers not only a self-free account and lowest spreads, but also a safer environment for you to transact easily and withdraw at any point of time anywhere in the world. Now look at the daily. On the daily charts, see this chart here as uh, first of all, I can say that it is still delivering higher lows and higher highs. Yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. Second thing is, here this could be the reversal sign with first bearish. Though there is a pullback, week started on a flat note. It has already seen the highs. Now it could deliver similar size of red candle here, where it could erase all the gains from the preceding candle and come back towards 2480. So this is the swing which I will be waiting for, because see, we have seen it getting stronger resistance on the upside. Also, it is delivering lower highs. This suggests that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices elevated. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat. Considering this, first thing is where to buy. I will recommend a buy at 2518 levels. Expect 2522 as the first target level, and beyond 2522 is where little bullishness will prevail, where we can look forward to 2530-32 as the first target. There could be an intermediate resistance at 2526, but largely we can look forward to 2530-32, and if it breaks 2530-32, we can look forward to 2539-41.5 as the next resistance zone. Largely, I can say till 29, 25, 39, 41.5. I will not treat this as bullish as well. It can reverse, it can show you sharper swings and strong swings. And now on the sell side, sell at 24,508, expect 2504, 2500, 2498 at the second resistance zone, 2494.95 at the third, and 2490 at the last. Below 2490 is where the bears will take over completely, and you can look forward to a stronger drop towards 2484, 2478, and lower levels are also possible. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly chart, see, you can see first rise retracement. It just takes the support from the 20 period moving average and tries to bounce back. If it is bullish, it has to bounce back again and trade about $30 levels. Only above $30 levels you can say that it is turning bullish. What has happened here? It has already formed a double top, and from the double top levels it is trying to reverse. Now I will not treat this as bearish as long as today 2960 2950 zone is not taken. Once it draws below 2960 2950 zone, I do not see it coming back. There could be stronger bearish move on the downside. Now this zone is definitely important. Here we have seen a stronger consolidation. It can consolidate here and get the support here as well. So be careful at around 2960 2940 zone. Yes, you can sell here at 2960 levels. When you see the higher prices below 2960, take a selling entry. Expect 2950 40, 2920. Any move below 2920 is a sign of a drop and a sharper reversal. Till 2940 you have to be watchful. Below 2920 is where we can say extreme bearishness will prevail. Stochastic dropping to the bottom, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell, RSI dropping again, and it is again trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts, enough consolidation, enough resistance. First bearish candle, second in making, it can keep moving towards 2950 level. So this is going to be the first milestone. 2940 could be the second, and 2920 is going to be the third milestone which it needs to break. So largely you can sell here at 2960 levels. Expect 2950 40 and 20 till 2920. I am again saying and warning this, till 2920 do not treat silver as bearish. Below 2920 it is not going to come back. That is also very clear. Yes, after the drop it has retraced, it has formed double top, and it is willing to take the direction now. Stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is in green, trying to convert. This is still not on the sell side right now. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, a reversal sign, and you can see a slight bearishness, possibility of a move towards 2950, 2940 adjust, and I again the same observation till 2920. Possibility of a reversal also cannot be denied. Yes, what we had seen here, a sharper recovery, what it could deliver here is this where higher lows and higher highs are seen. Thus, the lows could be at here at around 29.20, which is going to be a great support. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI trying to suggest slight bearishness. And on the 4-hour chart, the observation is similar. See, these two candles, look at these two candles. This is a reversal sign. Post reversal, double top is also formed, and then you can see a pullback, increasing bearishness. And now it has started on a flat note. We can see it moving further down. It can keep moving towards 29.50, 29.40, and thus ideal selling entry at 29.60 can be taken, but then you have to be extremely careful and alert. It is still not suggestive of bearishness. Also, if you look at the larger term here, after the drop here, it is trading in this retracement channel. Now, why it is retracement? See, this is the main trend, this is the retracement trend, and a breakout here is going to deliver massive bearishness. Right now, the moving averages are looking upwards and is staying bullish. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD is in green, it is not yet crossed over for sell. I will wait for it to cross over for a selling entry. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, see a flat top here means $30 levels have become a milestone for it to break. And thus, as long as today $30 levels are not breached, I will not recommend you to buy as well. $30 levels is the only level above which the bulls might try to take over here. And thus, till 30, you have to be careful. What is happening here? You can see this. If you connect the dots, first of all, it is trading in a bullish channel here. Higher lows and higher highs are seen. Support levels at 28.80 are very, very strong. So once it breaks below 29.20, you can look forward to 28.80 as the next milestone. Below 28.80, we are waiting for a crash here. Yes, below 28.80, it is going to crash harder. Now, if you look at the formation here on the daily charts, rise, retracement. Then this is the main trend. This is a bearish drop here, and then the retracement, lower lows, and then the retracement. What it is doing here is it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. Now it is trying to drop from the not from hitting the top of the channel, but it is trying to deliver further lows. So once it drops below 28.80, the drop is going to be immense, and the bearishness is going to be immensely strong here. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI comfortable. Considering this, the buying entry today is very clear. It is only above $30 levels. See, these are markets. It shows you bears right now, but it can reverse and then trade bullish. So above $30 levels, should not think of selling silver. Beyond this $30 levels, you can expect 30.25, 30.50, and then in fact $31 levels are also possible. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend it is at 29.60. Below 29.60, you can look forward to a greater move, which can take it towards 29.50, 29.40, and then in fact 29.20. Till 29.20, extreme caution has to be there. You have to watch out more closely. It can reverse as well. Below 29.20 is where major bearishness will prevail towards 29 and 28.80. If you see it is staying below 28.80, it is going to crash hard. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at crude oil. See, crude oil started the week on with a gap up here. It has also filled the gap and then bounced back and recovered. Now, very importantly, it is there are key resistances on the upside: 75.4. First one, 76, the next. Any move beyond 76 is the sign of reversal here in crude oil. Till 76, we should not be treating this as bullish. What is happening here? The rise, retracement. The rise, it could retrace. Where it is willing to retrace, it can try to come back towards 74.5 levels, and if it drops below 74, 73.8, you can treat this as bearish. Right now I can say it has come to a zone where it has to decide the direction it is willing to take. Any move beyond 75.4, 75.6 zone and then 76 is a sign of reversal. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. RSI is overbought. This suggests that the bulls now appears to be exhausted here. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar formation, a greater resistance is seen. Once you see it trading below 75, you can take a selling entry. Expect 74.8, 74.6, and then below that you can expect 74, 73.8 levels as well. If you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over. These are looking upwards, staying bullish. Only thing is the divergence is the price from the moving average. That does it could show a convergence towards this. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish here, RSI overbought here. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation: preceding candle, a swing candle with higher highs, lower lows. Yes, it has bridged the gap, and now if you see it is staying below 75, you can sell again, expect it to move towards 74.8, 74.7 levels. Below this, you can expect a good draw for 74.3 and 73.8 levels. If it stays below 73.8, you should treat this as bearish. But largely, I'll show you something on the daily charts. But before that, look at further charts. You see, stochastic is overbought, the MACD is rising, the RSI is overbought here, near to overbought levels rather. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation, higher highs, lower lows. Swings are seen possibly below 75 is where you can expect bearishness. On the upside, you can see this. This was the resistance zone from where we have seen a stronger slide. This was the support zone from where we have seen a stronger slide on the downside. Now this is going to be the maximum resistance zone. So prices here in between 75.4 to 76 is going to be critical to watch out for. Beyond 76, I think more bullish momentum may prevail. But first thing is whether it can break it or not. On the 4 hour charts also, double bottom here, divide this into two, you can see almost symmetry. What has happened here? It has seen a move towards 78. What could happen here? It can see a move towards 78. Staying above 76, certainly you can look forward to 77, 78 levels as the next target. Stochastic here is overbought, the MACD also forming double bottom, trying to bounce back. RSI rising. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, similar observation, a double bottom and a rise. It is staying in the box 78.2 to 70 to 71 zone. This is the zone from which it has to come out from, and right now looking at the charts, it appears it is poised to deliver a smarter symmetry here, which means a move towards 78 can be expected. Stochastic rising here, MACD is also rising, the RSI is flat. Considering this, a buying entry at 75.4 can be taken, but 75.6 first, 76 second, and then 76.3 levels. If it stays above 76.3, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 77.2, 78 zone as the next target, and then if it stays above 78.55, you can just stay bullish for 79.2. Beyond this, you can look forward to a complete stronger breakout on the upside. Right now I can see a resistance from the 20 period is also seen here on the daily charts. Thus the selling entry now I will recommend is at $75 levels. Expect 74.75 first target zone, and below this you can expect it to keep moving towards 74.35 and 73.8. Once the prices drops below 73.8, I think it is not going to come back up. We can look forward to a stronger correction here. Largely, I will be expecting a bullish move staying above 76. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. Natural gas on the hourly chart. See, yes, if you connect it, you will find lower lows, lower highs. It has to break beyond 2.18, 2.2 zone. Once it stays above 2.2, you can say that the bulls will be active here, and then 2.25 will come into picture. Right now, I can see 2.18, 2.2 zone, which was the support earlier, is now going to remain a maximum resistance here on the upside. Stochastic comfortable, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour charts, what has happened here? See, drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. It has to break out beyond 2.18, 2.2 zone. Very clear. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising. Signs are little bullish here on natural gas. Coming to 3 hour chart, similar observation here. It is consolidated, it is still consolidating. Wait for 2.18. When I say 2.18, the lower price has to be about 2.180, and then specifically about 2.2 is where we can see little bullishness. Till 2.2, you have to be careful here with the buying entries. Stochastic near to top, MACD is trying to converge crossover for the buying entry, RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Drop, retracement. Wait for 2.2 levels in order to stay bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI staying flat. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, remember the last two candles, what we had seen in the preceding week. Uh, Diminishing bearishness, yes, but at the same time it is forming a bearish flag here, lower highs, lower lows. Now if it can try to show a reversal today, it has to stay above 2.2 and then 2.25. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a stronger recovery here on the upside, and then it can in fact breach past the higher highs at 2.38. Stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here for sell, RSI staying flat. So considering this, yes, a buying entry at 2.18 can be taken, but then You have to be careful of 2.2 levels, the nearest and strongest resistance. About 2.2, we can look forward to a good rise towards 2.25. Beyond 2.25, it is not going to come back. It is going to look towards 2.3 levels and 2.3638 zone. Chances for such a stronger rise looking at the movement right now appears to be less, but yes, a little bullishness or retracement can be expected. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2.15 levels. Expect 2.1211 as the first support zone. If it breaks below 2.1211, you can say the bears are back, and then you can look forward to 2.075, 2.05, and in fact $2 levels very, very soon. Looking at the charts, it appears difficult that the bears will be aggressively active today. So possibly little swing or bullishness might prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description. Join today and enjoy profit. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you.